Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add videos to your Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To add a video, all you have to do is click on Media located on the left menu. You have two options. You can either upload a video from your computer or import videos from your other social media accounts. Wix also offers a collection of ready-made videos that you can use if they suit your website. Since I already have a video in my site files, all I need to do is click on it and drag it where I want it to be placed on my webpage. I can easily adjust the size of the video to fit my layout. If I want to add another video, I can simply repeat the process and place it wherever I like. Once you have added and arranged your videos, tap on Preview to see how they look on your website. With just a few clicks, you can showcase engaging and dynamic videos on your Wix website to captivate your visitors. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.